the LG V20 USA here, and today I'm doing a video about the Orbic Myra 5G for Verizon Prepaid. So this is a new phone for Verizon Prepaid. It is currently out of stock right now. So hopefully when the video goes live on YouTube, hopefully this phone will be available for purchase. So it's currently out of stock, like I said. It's available in 64 gigabytes of storage, and it's $349.99 no contract. So that is good, and you'll have 64 gigabytes of storage, and it's available in black there. So pretty nice there. So this is what the phone looks like here. Pretty standard looking phone for today's standards. So that's how you 4 points for your front facing camera there. It kind of looks jacked up on the screen here, but it is what it is. Nice looking wallpaper. I do like that. Sound like a volcanic eruption there. So pretty nice looking and colorful wallpaper there. Power and button keys on the right side of the phone there. So pretty nice there. What's this? The left side of the phone. So the left side of the phone will have your micro SD and SIM card slot. On the back of the Orbic Myra 5G is a triple camera system along with the camera flash fingerprint sensor right here. 5G logo on the rear, and you have your Orbic logo on the back as well. So the back looks pretty nice as well. Right side, like I said, power and button keys. So yeah. So the Orbic Myra has a triple camera in the rear, 48 megapixels, 8 megapixel ultra wide, and then 2 megapixel depth sensor on the rear with the flash, of course. 25 hours of usage time. I don't know why they repeated that, but it is what it is. 100 hours of standby time. 3.14 inches in width, 6.81 inches in height. They do need to fix some things on here. Like whoever's doing this they need to fix this, because I guess it's rushing through it. So yeah. So it says here, meet the Orbic Myra 5G smartphone, a device with all the features you love at an affordable price. Enjoy a large LCD, scratch-resistant display, a triple rear camera system, and fast speeds with 5G connectivity. The long-lasting battery will keep you connected during those busy days while on the go, and with a reasonable price tag, you can take advantage of speed, power, and quality while staying on budget. Now with the coverage of 5G nationwide and the unprecedented performance of 5G ultra wideband. So the main selling point of this one, it does have 5G for $349.99, so not bad there. Pretty nice. Says here fully loaded cameras. The triple rear camera system and 16 megapixel selfie camera snaps stunning portraits and breathtaking scenery shots. Capture all your favorite moments with ease. Let's check this out here. Stay connected. The Myra 5G has a 5,000 milliamp battery, long-lasting battery, and provides up to 12 hours of talk time, keeping you connected on your busiest days. A Qualcomm octa-core 2.2 GHz processor keeps your device moving smoothly from one app to the next. So it has a Snapdragon processor. I don't know what processor it has. It'll probably tell us in the spec sheet. So let's continue. Stylish and durable. Watch your favorite videos and play games on the 6.78-inch Full HD plus TFT LCD display. Myra 5G features a stylish metallic finish and a durable scratch-resistant 2D glass screen. Wallet friendly. The Orbic Myra 5G has all the coveted features and speed you want in a smartphone without the hefty price tag. Alright. Specs on this thing are pretty good. Well, they sound good. So they guys have Wi-Fi 8 to 11 ABGN and AC and AX. It's AX ready. Dual band Wi-Fi. This is site ratings at global roaming network. Canada, Puerto Rico only. 4G bands, of course 5G nationwide. Digital hearing compatibility varies with Google Assistant on board. Bluetooth 5.1, fingerprint sensor, and facial recognition as your security options. So that's pretty good. Mobile hotspot up to 10 devices, 2 TB micro SD expansion, 64 GB ROM and 6 GB of RAM, so not bad at all. Android 11 on board, which is very nice. Qualcomm Snapdragon 750G processor, so this is a 5G processor, of course, 4K video. Triple rear camera, 48 megapixel, 8 megapixel, ultra wide and then 2 megapixel depth sensor on the rear with flash, 16 megapixel front facing camera. Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0 on board with 18-watt power there. So this had the Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0. That is kind of old now. I wish it was like 4.0, but it is what it is. This is a budget 5G smartphone, $349.99. So it's not too bad. You know, pretty decent there. Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0 is pretty good. But we're on what 5 Quick Charge 5 plus now with Qualcomm. I don't know. But you guys have a 5,000 mAh battery, 25 hours of usage time, 100 hours of standby time. Screen type. It's a 6.78 inch display. We know that. That's 720 by 1600 pixels. That is HD plus. It says Full HD in the features section, but I don't know why. But this says HD plus here, which I will believe that. You do have a TFT display, 2D scratch resistant glass, 20 by 9 aspect ratio. It is a 60 Hz refresh rate, so your standard refresh rate there, so nothing special with that. 6.78 inch display, plastic metal glass. So it has that says plastic on the sides, I guess, metal on the rear, and then glass in the front. Of course, what your screen is. It's available in black. You have USB Type-C for charging, so it's very nice. The Orbic Myra weighs 6.7 ounces. The dimensions are 0.37 inches depth, 3.14 inches width, and 6.81 inches height. So they said it's pocketable, but you know, you can put it into a pocket. So you know, is a wallet ready? No. But you can put this one in the pocket and you get it good to go. It says here, Verizon also helps you better understand your Verizon mobile device and other Verizon services. So if you guys need help with your Orbic Myra 5G prepaid phone, Verizon device support can help you out with that. So what comes in the box here? So what comes in the box is your Orbic Myra 5G prepaid smartphone, USB Type-C to USB Type-C wall charger and data cable, 5G SIM card pre-installed, SIM tool, 5,000 mAh battery, which is non-removable, and then you guys get base shorts and stuff like that. So nothing special in the box. You just send stuff in the box. So if you guys are looking to get a affordable 5G smartphone, the Orbic Myra is worth taking a look at here. This is a very nice looking phone. Not bad for $350. It's not really that bad. It is currently out of stock right now. So when this video is live on YouTube, hopefully this phone will be available to purchase. I know some of you guys might not know, Orbic's not really well known. Like they're known for budget phones and stuff like that. And this is a budget phone, but you do get 5G on it. They do have a 5G mobile hotspot device on Verizon as well. So I think this is the first 5G phone, right? I think this is the Orbic's first 5G phone, I think, right? I think so. I could be wrong about that, but the phone does look very nice. The wallpaper looks very nice as well. So not bad for 350 bucks. So if you guys want to check this phone out, go ahead and check it out on Verizon Prepaid. No contracts, $249.99. And it's definitely worth checking out if you guys are interested in this phone here. So yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.